Join me as I put expert techniques to the test and see if I can actually win the lottery. Imagine winning the jackpot, having all your financial worries disappear, and living the life you've always dreamed of. That's what winning the lottery is all about, and that's why serious players want to know the expert techniques that can increase their chances of hitting the big one. Many of us have been there, buying tickets, dreaming big, but ultimately ending up disappointed. But have you ever stopped to think that maybe, just maybe, our approach is wrong? I mean, let's face it, most people play the lottery with unrealistic expectations, thinking that Lady Luck will simply smile upon them and suddenly, they'll be rich. But the truth is, winning the lottery takes more than just luck. It takes strategy, dedication, and a deep understanding of the game. Another common myth is that winning the lottery is solely dependent on fate, that it's completely random, and there's nothing we can do to influence the outcome. But that's not entirely true. Serious players know that by employing the right techniques, they can significantly improve their chances of winning. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Some people think that winning the lottery is just a matter of being in the right place at the right time, but the reality is, there's a lot more to it than that. In fact, many past winners have credited their success to a combination of strategy, research, and a bit of luck. So, if you're tired of relying solely on chance and want to take your lottery game to the next level, then keep watching, because we're about to dive into the expert techniques that can make all the difference. When it comes to playing the lottery, there are many different techniques you can use to increase your chances of winning. One popular method is number frequency analysis, which involves studying the historical data to identify patterns and trends in the numbers drawn. Another technique is pooling resources with friends or family members, which allows you to cover more numbers and increase your chances of winning. And then there's the age-old debate about hot and cold numbers, where some players swear by using the numbers that have been drawn most frequently in the past, while others prefer to go with the ones that are due for a win. Of course, no discussion of lottery winning techniques would be complete without mentioning the importance of understanding the odds. I mean, let's be real, the odds of winning the jackpot are astronomical, but that doesn't mean you can't improve your chances. By understanding the odds, you can make informed decisions about which games to play, how much to bet, and when to walk away. In addition to these techniques, there are many other strategies that serious players use to gain an edge. From wheeling systems to using different types of tickets, the possibilities are endless. But out of all these techniques, there's one that stands out as the most effective. And that's what we're going to talk about next. So, what's the secret to significantly improving your chances of winning the lottery? The answer is quite simple, really. It's all about using a proven strategy that's backed by real-life examples and expert insights. One such strategy is the concept of lottery wheeling, which involves using a series of numbers to cover all possible combinations of a certain number of balls. This technique has been used by many past winners and has been proven to increase your chances of winning significantly. But don't just take my word for it. There are countless examples of players who have used wheeling systems to win the lottery, and many of them are willing to share their stories and insights with the world. By studying these examples and incorporating them into your own strategy, you can significantly improve your chances of winning. The key is to approach the lottery with a clear mindset and a solid understanding of the game. By using a combination of techniques, strategies, and a bit of luck, you can increase your chances of winning and take your lottery game to the next level. And remember, it's not just about winning the jackpot, it's about having fun and playing smart. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some valuable techniques to increase your chances of winning the lottery. Don't forget to share your own lottery experiences in the comments below, and if you're lucky enough to win big, be sure to check out my next video on smart money management after a win.